All praises are due to Almighty Allah, who is the creator and sustainer of the entire universe. I am very grateful to the Almighty Allah who has kindly enabled me to say something in front of you by this video lesson. I was totally trodden down mentally before 2 days, but today I feel much better. After all, whenever you become mentally sick, you should believe in only Almighty Allah and try your best to recover from it.